succinct view of how wind speed and directions are typically distributed at a particular location. Historically, windrows were predecessor of the compass. Windrows, windrows were predecessor of the compass windows found on maps, as there was no differentiation between a cardinal direction and the wind which blew from such a direction. Using a polar coordinate system of grading, the frequency of winds over a long time period are plotted by wind direction with colors bands showing wind ranges. The direction of the windrows with the longest spoke shows the wind direction with the greatest frequency. Windrows plots are usually used to display values which are related to compass direction. Compass direction के लिए यूज होता है ये. For example, it could be used to illustrate measured wind stance over time period in different directions. Features of windrows. The windrows extension module supports all the usual library graph capabilities like frames, shadows, colors, titles, cache, etc. Some of the features of windrows are enhanced anti-alias capability for smooth-looking graphs, sports customizable compass types which allow us to choose between 16, 8 and 4 compass directions to be shown. Sports two type of basic graphs: free direction graphs and compass bound graphs. Allow data to be specified with both compass direction and angles in degrees. Fully customizable fonts everywhere in the plot. Fully automatic adaptive positioning of the labels for the scale to avoid collision with data. This can also be turned off to allow manual positioning of the label. Labels have extensive formatting capabilities and support background colors, rounded boxes, and arbitrary fonts. Supports multiple windrows graphs on the same image. Fully customizable size and positioning of each individual windrows graph. Size of windrows plot can be specified both as absolute pixels or as fraction of the graph size. Both manual and automatic color specializations. Both automatic and manual scaling. Intelligent position of angle label with possibility for client specification of alignment type. Windrows graph may have arbitrary text block added to the graph. Different type of windrows plot. There are two basic type of windrow plots: compass type and free type. Compass type. This type of windrows plot has either 4, 8 or 16 compass direction exist. Directions in input data is limited to one of the compass directions in the plot. The directions are specified as ordinal number of the direction axis. The labels on the axis is by default short form of the compass directions. For example, east, north, west, south. The ordinal number are counted anti-clockwise from east 3 o'clock. Free type. This type of window plot has no predefined direction axis. इसके अंदर प्रीडिफाइंड डायरेक्शन एक्सिस नहीं है. कंपास वाले में डायरेक्शन एक्सिस पहले से डिफाइन की गई थी. ठीक है. डायरेक्शन इन इनपुट डाटा कैन बी arbitrary angles or specified as compass directions. North west. The zero angle corresponds to the east direction 3 o'clock.